Hey guys, this is Pahul back from Fototech with another new video and welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we are gonna take a look at this VR headset by Shinecon. So guys, I wanna apologize that this video is way too late. So the last video was uploaded on 11th of August and it's been a long time since that upload. So actually I'm busy in some tests and projects of my school. There are my tests for a long time and my examination will start on 15th of September. So I think that you will get at least one more video before 15th of September, and after that I will be uploading after 26th of September when my examination will be over. So please cope up guys. I know that you will support me and not leave this channel for irregular uploads. What can I do, please guys? So now let's take a look at this product. Hey guys, this is Pahul from the future and I was just editing this video and saw that it's quite boring. So if you find it boring too, then please remember that my main motive of making this video was to be constant, as I haven't uploaded any video for a long time. So it was a video to keep the stabilization. So please ignore if you find this video boring. So now let's roll the intro. Peace.
I'm staying 6 feet to keep you safe. I'm on my way back to my crib. That's where I'll stay. Like 6 tweets, I roll like 6 tweets. We social distancing. I'm social distancing. 6 feet. I'm staying 6 feet.
So guys, this is the box of the VR headset. As you can see, there is the Shinecon branding over there and the picture of the VR headset itself. It shows VR Play virtual reality glasses, Shinecon branding over there also. So on this side you get the MRP, which is 3999. So the product is Shinecon 3D VR glasses and the model number is G04. And you can see other details of this product on this side and nothing on this side. So now let's unbox this. You get another box in that box. So guys, sorry if the quality of the box is not that good because it's worn, because I am using this for at least now I think 3 years. So 3 years. So now let's open this up. So you get the VR glasses and the cloth in which it is wrapped. I just opened it up and here you have a microfiber cloth for cleaning the lenses, and you have some warranty details and user manual with QR codes to download some apps and games that is compatible with this. And with that you also get some padding that you can paste in the tray of this VR box so that you can protect your phone from damage. So now let's throw this away, and this is the microfiber cloth, polythene, and now let's talk about the VR. So this is the VR headset that you get. As you can see, it is that simple VR look, and you get this sliding door so that when you put your mobile inside it doesn't heat up. And now let's talk about this. As you can see, there are 2 lenses, and for these lenses we have a focal length adjustment knob and a pupil distance adjustment knob that you can adjust for your comfort and your eye level. So here you have the tray in which you can put your mobile phone. As you can see, I pasted those paddings over here and one over here, and as you can see, it can fit almost any mobile phone till now. Not tablets, only mobile phones. So they got a really nice head strap. It's really stretchy and comfortable. As you can see, it will not harm your head, and this is how it adjusts. As you can see, you also get this mesh for heatsink, and when you put this tray on, you get this compartment free so that you can put on charging cable or headphones if you want to. The latest model of these VR headset come with its own headphones, and you can just put that on and plug in the aux cable. So this is a basic one and it's really cheap. It's almost 500 rupees on Amazon or Reliance Digital Store. So yeah, you can order it, and if you wanna buy it, the Best Buy link will be below in the description. So go check this out. And again, sorry for the late video, and I just told you that now videos will be late for some time, at least 25 to 26 days videos will be late, so cope up guys. And this was the video, so that's it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, peace and have a nice day.
The girls wind up on the dance floor.